Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and it's made up of, I bet I can figure out how many, 4,224 dots. And they want a gray background on it so they can print it on a shirt. And for the first time in all of my videos, I am going to pause because this takes a long time to do this. And I'm going to go and select it all. And I can't weld it because it'll crash the computer because it's so much going on. But I'm going to use the boundary tool to put a boundary. So I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, I'm back. It's done it. It took it about 45 seconds. I'm going to try to move the boundary out of the way. And you can see it's a messed up mess. And it's going to leak. So we have to contour it. So we got to go to effects and contour. And I'm going to contour to the outside with rounded corners. I'm going to go 0.2 and I'm going to hit apply. And this is going to take some time, so I might pause the video again. Okay, I'm back. That took like a minute and a half. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to go break the contour apart. I've got some weird things going on, and it didn't work whatsoever. I don't know what that is. So, see, I've got to apply. Let me try going to object and break the curve apart. And then maybe try grouping them. But see a zoom, well, there it goes. So I'm going to probably pause the video again. This is a long drawn out process. Oh, it worked. Great. So I'm going to go to object, break the contour apart, and I'm going to move the contour over. And look at that. We have a contour around the dog. I did not change the dog in any facet, but you do want to use rounded corners. And if the point for the one I'm doing it for, 0.2 is too much, you could always go to the inside 0.1 and make you another contour and go up to object, break the contour apart, and then get rid of the outer one. Now, I would strongly suggest you move this, well, let's go down, out of what, and turn it whatever gray you want, quite possibly take away the outline, and then you're going to have to go object, order, front of page or back of page. And now you have a gray, and this would, I think, is going to engray pretty good. I almost kind of in a way think the white might gray in good too, but you'll just have to try it. Anyway, I hope that helped him and maybe somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.